Have you ever tried 30K and 50K and 80K ultrasound machine for body sculpting? Now is the time. Get it with the best price and a trolley stand for free. Enjoy professional body shaping treatments with different frequencies. Mychway's new Aristorm S shape gives you the most perfect experience and results. Featuring 3 ultrasonic frequencies, 30K Hz, 50K Hz, and 80K Hz. These frequencies penetrate varying depths, ensuring unparalleled precision in targeting specific areas such as arms, legs, back, or belly. Upgraded lipo laser pads, equipped with 14 high-efficiency, imported lamp beads each 160 μW. Improved lipo laser pads for better results. The pads enhance body contouring, outcomes, and features an aluminum alloy construction for superior heat dissipation. Take advantage of Black Friday and bring home the latest Aristorm S shape. Mychway Black Friday event. Click the link below to check it out.